Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for the latest design tips and tutorials. Today, we're diving into creating Instagram stories with Canva. Let's get started. Select the Instagram story template. To begin, open Canva, click on social media icon, and select the Instagram story template. This template is perfectly sized at 1080 by 1920 pixels, ensuring your story looks great on all devices. Browse and choose a template. Canva offers a wide variety of Instagram story templates to choose from. Browse through the options and pick one that aligns with your brand's aesthetic. For this tutorial, I'm choosing a vibrant, eye-catching template. Customize your text. Click on any text box to start editing. Keep your text concise and engaging. Use clear, readable fonts and make sure your message stands out. Canva provides a plethora of font options to suit your style. Add relevant images and videos. Images and videos are key to making your story engaging. You can use Canva's extensive library of stock photos and videos, or upload your own. Drag and drop your chosen media into the template and adjust it to fit perfectly. Enhance with elements and graphics. Make your story more engaging by adding elements and graphics. Canva offers a variety of shapes, icons, and illustrations. Customize the colors to match your brand's palette and ensure they enhance your overall design without cluttering it. Incorporate your logo. Don't forget to add your logo for brand recognition. Place it in a corner where it doesn't distract from the main content. Review and save your story. Before finalizing, review your story for any errors or misalignments. Ensure all elements are in place and your message is clear. Once you're satisfied, click on the Share button in the top right corner and select your preferred file format. MP4 is recommended for stories with videos, while PNG works great for static images. And there you have it, Genius Junkies! A stunning Instagram story ready to captivate your audience. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.